Let's learn about continents. What is continent? A continent is a very large landmass. A continent is usually separated by water or other natural features like mountains. There are 7 continents in the world: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Continents only cover 29% of Earth. The rest of the Earth's surface is water. North America. North America is the third biggest continent in the world. Major countries in North America include the USA and Canada. Only continent that has every kind of climate. North America is home to bears, moose and skunks. South America. South America is the fourth biggest continent in the world. Major countries include Brazil and Argentina. Home to the Andes Mountain, world's second largest mountain range. Second largest river, Amazon, also runs through South America. Europe. Second smallest continent in the world. Home to the smallest country, Vatican City. There are no deserts in Europe. Contain mineral resources, coal, petroleum, natural gas and copper. Major countries include France, Germany and UK. Africa. Africa is the second biggest continent in the world. Major countries include Egypt, Nigeria and South Africa. Africa has the longest river in the world, the Nile. Home to the Sahara Desert, the largest desert in the world. Asia. Largest continent in the world. Home to the Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Our country India is in Asia. It includes Russia, world largest country. China, most populous country. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from space. Australia. Smallest continent on Earth. The Great Barrier Reef, world's largest coral reef, and is in Australia. It is called an island continent. Australia has many unique animals including kangaroos, koalas, and emus. Antarctica. Antarctica is the third smallest continent in the world. Antarctica is almost completely covered in ice. It is home to penguins, albatross, and seals. There are no countries in Antarctica. Each year, hundreds of scientists live and work in Antarctica. It is coldest, driest, and dark continent. Thank you.